Welcome, Mariel.
Wow,
Pasensya
so
ka na sa aming
cute.
munting tahanan. Magkuha ko ng bag kasi sa bigyan kita ng upo. Ito yung kitchen. Ito lang.
Oh, yes.
Kitchen. Yung table.
Nice. Nice
Oh,
inyong
welcome
kitchen.
home, Marielasin.
Hands
Baka may
up.
ano na naman.
Ay,
May
it's okay. Pareho lang tayo. May mga ano din, mga kububot sa
Yan si
bahay.
tatay ko.
Ah,
Tatay ko. Tapos nga nag-stay tatay.
so,
Tapos nag-rest na siya sa last October 31.
kinsa man ni bata?
Latuan. Marielasin, you're really
Hi!
welcome home.
Nata diri sa ilang kuan, nag-diskanso,
Makita to nila ni
Presko
Auntie.
kaayo
yung ano.
diri, no?
Ito nga yung inano niya. Ito lang yung binili. Tapos ito yung binili niya sa
Sa asa man
Banis na
niya
wood. Tapos siyang nagawa.
Asa?
Sa ang tawag nito yung may market na. Ang tawag
Nice,
nun,
no?
yung may
Ayaw
mag-ano
dito.
sila ng market.
Mayo na anymore.
No. Actually, when I was growing up,
Marielasin, welcome to our place.
Who is this people? Who is this woman? My name is Mario.
What is it?
oh, I tried something. What?
Henry,
Biscuit? Biscuit?
biscuit, biscuit cracker.
Biscuit?
Cracker. It's Marielasin here.
Kami ang Bisaya.
Visit. We just found this one. Thank you. It's just mashay also, no? The bird shit. Si Marielasin. Welcome home.
Hi,
Welcome
Henry.
visitor. And Marielasin and David.
What's going on, Henry?
Cookie dance.
Judy, come straight with me.
Doing kisses. Nahiya siya.
doing? Hiding
Minsan na
behind
pag ano
the
siya
walls?
dito. You can feed Mariel. This one.
No.
Maybe it's full.
You just give a biscuit. This one here. You can a cracker.
How do you feel?
Mariel will feed the bird. Si birthday ni brother at ni Mariel.
Got hit.
Mariel and David because birthday of my brother and my auntie. Yeah, you get some. You get
I
some.
think the sister would...
Oh yeah. You ano na that
I
one.
might try later, I've got dirty hands.
Tatagisa lang. Thank you.
Because we how about si David?
Shaking ba siya?
Ha?
Nag-shaking siya.
Nag what?
Nag-shaking iyang wings. Wala pa
You
siya
said-
mag-istorya.
And hello, Marielasin and David. We have visitor.
Show you that.
Wala pa na ako madong.
Ano ang hatag niya?
Guy with
Nag-harvest.
And the Philippines, probably
everything.
3 passenger.
Oh, easy.